What's up, the 1B here, and I'm going to be editing another thumbnail. This one for my Star Trek, the original series, Season 2 watch experience recap. Long names. I was calling it recap, but then I felt like I was recapping the episodes, and I'm not really doing that. I'm just kind of talking about my thoughts on the season. Maybe that is a recap. I don't know. So anyway, let's move on and let's pull in the thumbnail. Star Trek over here. Last time what I realized is the logo on my stuff comes through and I already have a logo. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over back over to here and we're gonna hide my logo. And we're just gonna make a new one. Export, quick export. Here, go to creative, new folder, Star Trek, T.O.S. We'll call it template edit. Template edit for season 2. Then we'll call this one thumbnail without background. Without logo for background. Trying to use more hyphens because they are more SEO friendly, apparently. So I've already created that. We want to close this. We want to say no. We want to then open it up over here. Go to YouTube thumbnails. Creative, Star Trek. Drag the background in. Then you can just hold, I believe it's Alt. Grab the effect. Drag it up to the new area. And then we will go ahead and drop the opacity down to 5%. We will delete the previous. That text is maybe too much even. So maybe we drop it down to 2%. Back to editing this text. Let me think here. Star Trek. EOS thumbnail edit. That's what we're going to call it. Star Trek. TOS. Thumbnail edit. Star Trek. TOS. Template. Maybe edit isn't the way to go. Maybe creation is. I mean, it's just a little, it's literally a quick edit to the thumbnail, the template. Season 2. Got it. Got him. All right, this could actually be set up to be a square again, I think. SO2. I think we go black, black, and then we go SO2 for the white spot. White. So what would I do? I would space out creation and Star Trek. I think I would leave those even. Space them, maybe space this part a little bit. Okay. Character, say 75. Look like. Or just pretty spot on. Thumbnail looks. Use a squished. Tracking. Earning. Trick. 100. 200. 180. 150. 160. 155. I'm okay with that. I don't really have to do any spacing here because I've kept them pretty much the same. Star Trek. Star Trek. T.O.S. S02. Thumbnail. Creation. Version. Save. It feels a little heavy right here. A little leaning. It's all right. All right. Thank you again for hanging out, watching these. Hopefully, it gives you a little insight to what I'm doing. I'm still trying to figure things out myself, like trying to figure out what looks best for type, and you know, does this little. I like the little white, just a little dab of white in the type in the text, so that kind of balances that between the black logo and the white Photoshop logo. Just trying things out, man. Let me know what you think. Thanks, everybody. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.